Now Zeppelin is installed. I want to just check out the Zeppelin tutorial, and you can, when you're first running this, they'll ask you for the settings, and essentially these are the languages Zeppelin is able to support. If you write MD, for example, this percentage MD, essentially this means markdown language, it will support. And this percentage file means it is using the file system. And what else? Just check. If you write percentage Python, it will just connect to Python, and you run. I'll show an example just in a moment. And this percentage sh means shell. Okay, and this is the example you can try. And let me first to do is just save this file. And this is a Java, some Java, this is actually Scala and Scala code, and you can try to run this chapter. And what this does is essentially it takes a CSV file stored at Amazon AWS, and this has this bank.csv file, and this is running it on Spark. And let's just use this to test. If you click on it, it is running. Okay, it is finished. It takes 23 seconds, and this essentially load the files. And what I want to do is we're going to run this block essentially to do a query of this file, and select age and count. And from this bank file where age is less than 30, group by age and order by age. And this is because this percentage sign SQL, this means the code here is Spark SQL. And here is the output. And what's nice thing about this is if you click on this button, it would essentially show you this histogram that shows you the counts for each age. And you can also show a pie chart with very nice JavaScript interactions. And you can plot various things, plot like this as well. And so this looks pretty cool.